It's not the dessert time. All right, let's go to Gary in New York. Gary.
How you doing, sir?
How are you?
Good, good. My question is, I have I have a VAWA pending over 2 years, so I put inquiry from the congressman, and then they reply me because I have a appeal pending from SIJ case like 4 years ago. They said we cannot make a decision on your I-360 because I have a I-290B pending. So they don't know. They said we need a file from them, but they need to know a process first, the I-290B. So my question is, if I'm going to withdraw my appeal, do I get NTA?
Well, if you withdraw your appeal was based on what? What were you appealing?
SIJ.
SIJ case?
Yeah.
Yeah, I would withdraw it because you already got married, so it's irrelevant now. So withdraw it. You're not going to be put in removal. It's not going to cause removal. You have a pending VAWA. As long as you get your VAWA approved, you're not going to get deported anyway. Withdraw the appeal.
So how long does it take to withdraw the appeal?
48 hours. I don't know. How quick does the mail get to immigration?
So they're going to send me a letter or something?
They'll send you a letter saying we acknowledge your request to withdraw the appeal.
So then they're going to send back file to them, or I have to put another inquiry to the VAWA unit?
The VAWA still has to get your file from your other case. They got to put the two cases together. But if you have an appeal pending and they don't want to make a decision on the VAWA case while your appeal on the SIJ is pending, because you can't be a married independent man, which is what a VAWA is, because you were an abused husband, and a juvenile who is in need of guardianship. That's what SIJ is. You can't be both.
But I know that's a long time ago pending, going through with the 2013.
Withdraw the SIJ. If you have an appeal pending since 2013, forget about it. Withdraw the SIJ, and hopefully you have a strong VAWA case and you'll get through. That's my advice.
So my question, I have to put an inquiry back to the VAWA they can order the file, or they will send them straight?
No, you just have to withdraw the appeal, and you have to wait on they will do their own internal thing of getting the files together.
Okay, one question more, sir.
That was your fifth one last question, by the way.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Tell me how many questions you have. Say, I have 7
Just
questions.
The last.
This is the last. I'm happy to answer all 7, but don't say, I have one more, and then there's one more on top of it. Say, I got 7 questions. Here's the 3rd one. Here's the 4th one. Here's the 5th one. Here's the 6th one.
I'm sorry, I'm not wasting your time.
Yeah. No, what's your last question?
Okay. I have a I-130 also pending from my spouse. Is over 3 years now, too. So do I have to withdraw anything?
The I-130 from the spouse who was abusing you, or is this a new spouse?
Abusing.
Yeah, you don't have to withdraw anything because the VAWA...
I don't want to later on they will think about that. I have to do that.
No, you don't have to withdraw that. Just let the VAWA continue.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for time. Thank you.
Graffy in New York. Graffy.
Hello.
How are you?
Hi, Uncle Brad. How are you doing?
Good. What's going on?
Okay. I have about 3 to 4 questions to ask you.
Now, that's a way to start. Say, I got 4 questions. Here's question number 1. I mean back.
Okay, Uncle Brad. The first question is, after you do your interview for your green card after you do the interview, and they say they will send the reply in the mail. Do you have any idea how long it takes?
It's supposed to be 120 days, but I've seen them take 3 years.
Wow. Okay. Another question number 2. After, so actually the interview, before the interview, I have my travel documents, which is the advance parole.
Yeah.
And then I was scheduled for an interview on December 1st. I went to the interview. So I'm here thinking and wondering if it's possible to travel out of the country.
Yes. The answer is yes, because you have an advance parole. As long as it's valid, you have a pending adjustment, you can travel.
Without
a problem.
Without hearing from them?
Correct.
Okay.
What else?
So what if my third question. What if like it's been against where they don't grant you the green card and you're out of the country?
It's based on marriage. So either you'll get a Stokes interview and you'll be given notice of a Stokes interview, or you'll get a green card, one or the other. So don't worry. You'll have time to come back.
Thank you so much, Uncle Brad. And please do not get any tattoo. Do not get any tattoo.
My mother would kill me if I got a tattoo. So
we love you, Uncle Brad.
You. So if I get a tattoo, just don't tell my mother. All right, let me go to the next one. Thank you.
Okay, Uncle Brad. Thank you so much.
My problem. Okay. No problem. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.